Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to iPad Pro 13. Begin by opening App Store on iPad and Play Store on Google Pixel. Then download the same app called Send Anywhere on both, and when it's ready, launch it. Following that, you need to set it up. Let's start with iPad. Click on Ask App Not to Track or Allow in first pop-up. Allow full access in the second one. And allow or don't allow in third one. Finally, hit Close in Select Images window and go to Google Pixel. To set up this app, you need to tap on I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, and allow. Then allow again. In the third pop-up though, choose wherever you want to, and also wherever you wish to in the window about new updates. Then tap on your device's display and select Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel. Then Receive on the left on iPad. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a few, just for example. When you finish, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon at the top right corner of iPad, hit Allow in the pop-up and just point your camera at the code. To input this key though, tap on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers before they expire. When you finished, to connect, hit Receive. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!